歡迎你大家喺呢度啊。So today we're going to start on actually using the tools of the 13 protocol. OK？
係開始嘅時候咧，係Dr. Peggy 咧係用喺佢嘅水療醫院嗰度點樣介紹人用我哋嘅 Kangen water 係做眼耳口鼻喉嘅 treatment。OK， 而家我哋逐個介紹啦。
We start our protocol according to Dr. Peggy, the 13 protocol. And now we start again on the eyes protocol, very popular. Most people have problem with eyes, their eyes, right? OK。
我哋今日講嘅嘢咧 ，whatever 你唔記得都唔緊要，或者你冇呢個 video 睇翻都唔緊要。我哋有個 menu 你眼仔有問題耳仔有問題，用咩水咧？全部咧都有喺度。我哋可以 send 呢個 soft copy 俾你嘅，同埋嗰啲 tools 咧逐個介紹你點樣用。而家第一個介紹你啦，眼仔個 protocol 啦。嗱，例如呢啲紅眼症。Conjunctivitis eyes, reddish eyes, or your eye have pus, 好多眼屎嗰啲人咧，你用咩水啊？係11.5千祈唔好用錯，用11.5就好似潛水鏡咁樣。
11.5OK， 11.5 OK。
咁樣吸住隻眼咧就眨眼1分鐘啫 ，OK， 1分鐘。咁如果你隻眼係有問題咧，你一日可以做2、3次嘅，甚至乎做到5次，但係每一次都係1分鐘 ，1 minute per time，OK， for 11.5。So moisturize your eyes, soak it, but you wrinkle your eyes 眨眼。
Open the eyes for 1 minute, and then repeat this action about 5 times if I were you 5次重複一日every day, right? Okay, next one. Right, this is the eyes, a very simple procedure. Okay, anyway, back to the eyes again. In case, let's say you have a very itchy eyes, your eyes very itchy. What do? My friend? 2.5. Okay, put a 2.5 here in a bottle, right? This 2.5 proven to be kill bacteria with 40 seconds to 60 seconds, So you spray on the eyes, open it, keep opening up and down, open it. 喺度噴 continuously 1分鐘。Continuously 1 minute, keep spraying for 1 minute because it's very. After you soak it using 11.5, very high oxidation, then it's going to be very painful. But you spray continuously 1分鐘 1 minute, this spray, open up eyes, open up and down.
記住2.5唔係愛嚟浸㗎。如果你用2.5嚟浸眼你隻眼仔會好紅㗎，會乸眼㗎。係2.5只可以離開個面嗰度咁樣噴，佢會殺菌消毒。但係如果你要浸你嘅眼咧，去滋潤你嘅眼球或者清洗咧，你就用11.5。
Okay, right. Okay. So eyes very simple, right? Very good. Okay, now
ear protocol. Okay, 耳仔啦，而家耳仔咧好多人咧都會有耳鳴嗰個或者耳水唔平衡咁你點樣去治理你個耳仔咧？就係用呢一支啦。OK, insulin 嗰陣時 Dr. Ruben 都會親身介紹過我哋，就係咧佢你做呢個動作。
2.5 you see? You hold it. You see that you just suck it into about all the way to 50 ml here, all the way to 50 ml here. 2.5, right? Okay, and then you slowly put it into your ear. You can see in the picture there. You push it here at the side. Push it at the side. 拱住氣 press it against the eardrum, right? And then go to the toilet shower 沖涼房嗰度慢慢撳落去，一撳落去自己走出嚟嘅呢個。
OK， 呢一個方法咧，你唔係對住佢個耳窿嗰度撳嘅，係喺個耳壁嗰度，你係好似一個 rinse 咁樣咧，嗰啲水係自然咁樣出㗎，佢唔會喺你嘅左耳唔會喺你嘅右耳入就左耳出，唔係咁樣㗎，佢係喺你嘅耳壁嗰度嗰啲水咧就會咁樣流走。咁我哋叫人咧就係2.5同11.5一齊用，就2.5 3次，11.5 3次。咁你個嗰啲耳腔耳鳴或者耳水唔平衡咧，你即時咧都會有好好嘅反應嘅，就係好舒服嘅。OK， 咁呢一個就係用呢一個嘅針筒 ，OK 喺你個耳仔度洗3次。就算你個耳仔淨係你個右耳有問題你唔可以淨係洗右耳㗎，你左右耳都要清理，先至攞到個平衡㗎。You cannot just do for 1 year even though you only 1 year have problem, you have to do both in order to balance it. Okay. So this is the sample you can see Dr. Ruben teach us how to do in the yes. Okay, go on. Yeah. 影咗啦，影
Now,
咗
see how you put it
喎。
in? Dr. Ruben administered for me because one of my ear was lost healing. So I did not know that I have some ear wax inside blocking my
After
ear.
doing the
You
treatment
see,
for
after you spray,
John, the
3
infection
times.
here, what
Remove wax.
water you
Relieve
pumping
wax.
in?
2.5.
2.5.
pH
2.5. Kangen 2.5 to kill germs and clear the
殺咗嗰
wax.
啲細菌先。
Clear the wax. 2.5 very effectively, and the water will come out again, right?
一時會出㗎。咁如果你喺你個沖涼房嗰度做咧，就唔會咁 messy 啦。整個動作嚟講咧，都係少過1分鐘，所以咧你喺沖涼前喺沖涼房自己同自己做就可以㗎啦。It's very easy handling. Like you see here, you see the dot, the wax came out. So my ear was only half hearing gone, you know. This one came out the wax, so my ear healed in the same day, you know. Amazing, right? 嗰啲耳油啊、耳屎啊、耳康啊，全部都同你洗得乾淨淨，唔需要淨係用 cotton bud，攞嚟撩耳。咁啊，有啲人咧係會積聚咗年月啊，變咗一嚿好油脂啊，或者乜嘢都可以治理到。Yeah, remember about last Saturday, is it? Aaron was sharing Linda. That is a GM of Relief now. Aaron's, the company that he used to work for, and he got infection here about over 10 years, and every day have a discharge coming out， 好似個龍咁樣啊，all the discharge coming from here。Linda 咧係有耳仔嘅問題啊，成10年啊都處理唔到啊，因為每一日佢都會有膿水咧出嚟㗎，咁樣咧俾我哋嘅還原水咧幾日咧就可以搞掂咗佢個問題啦。And then Linda, I use this Well, I asked him to do it 3 times a day, using 2.5 and followed by 11.5, 3 times a day. I can tell you after 1 week, completely no more discharge 好晒啊，冇再流嗰啲白線啊，膿水冇晒啊。Very, very powerful, I tell you this. Okay, right. Next one, powerful, right? But take note have to do for both ear 兩隻耳仔一齊做唔係淨係做呢隻耳仔。呢個仁兄你哋認得佢冇？Recognize he is the previous Japan manager 大嘅He also have the problem and he never know， 佢都唔知道我哋個水咁好用啊。2.5 2.5 and 11.5 can kill his problem in 2 days。原來佢朝頭早會聽到嘰嘰嘅聲音耳鳴用我哋教佢用呢一個方法，只係2次啫，佢就冇咗嗰個聲音喺度啦。明白You give them ask question on each one. Yeah. After that, then ask Yeah, you write down any question you want to ask， 一陣你問咩你寫低2.5同11.5呢個冇問題啦。Okay, no problem. Right, next one. Right, how about oral health？嗱，其實現今口腔其實係我哋嘅 first defense system， 因為而家好多味精同埋呢個 chemical 係咪？甚至冇中咗 COVID-19 嘅人咧，佢都話冇咗 lost 咗個 taste。其實咧口腔我哋都要處理嘅喎，所以咧有我哋嘅水我哋嘅還原水嘅厲害咧，在於2.5同11.5，所以好好咁樣利用佢。2.5咧，你1個禮拜或者2、3日一次你用2.5嚟清洗個口腔，兼夾咧佢會除臭啦，口腔乾淨啦，同埋咧你用呢一個 tools 嚟刮嚟 ，OK， 咁樣咧係對呢個口腔舌頭咧係一個保養嚟嘅。Because our tongue have a lot of bacteria, right? So in the morning you can use this one to remove all the dirty things from your tongue, right? All the mucus, whatever with the bacteria, and then after that you use 2.5 to rinse your mouth. When you rinse your mouth 2.5, always remember must rinse at least 40 seconds to 60 seconds。用2.5嚟啷口就係總之係40秒到1分鐘之內啦。It can kill all the germs, and if you have ulcer, then it can kill the ulcer as well, the bacteria, and then the ulcer will heal the next day. Yeah， 如果你有飛滋嘅話咧，你用2.5嚟啷口咧，個飛滋好快會乾，同埋會冇咗咯。But very important very important. You must after that follow by rinsing with 11.5。2.5過後咧，唔該你用11.5含個嘴所以佢嗰個高鹼性Because the teeth have an enamel. Enamel is protect your teeth as alkaline layer. So when you use 2.5 oxidize very high then it make your teeth to be very sensitive after a few days 因為如果你淨係用2.5咧，係佢殺菌除臭
同埋即係順走你嗰啲飛滋。但係問題咧，佢係好氧化㗎，佢會洗走你牙齒裏邊嗰啲乾滑嘅乾質咧，即係你會好敏感。所以如果你食呢個凍嘢嘅時候咧，你會
very sensitive, you get painful teeth. Why? Because oxidation remove all the alkaline. So you rinse with 11.5, put back the alkaline in the teeth, and it protect your teeth.
Yeah.
I had that problem. I rinsing 2.5 every day. I did not know. After 3-4 weeks, wow, when I drink normal water, warm water, my teeth are very sensitive and pain, you know.
Yeah, 會好敏感，所以你用2.5之後咧，1分鐘你再含翻個11.5喺個嘴。
即係 my dentist advise me to use 11.5 to rinse it. After 3 days only, totally recovered. Okay, right.
OK， 再講鼻啦 ，nasal protocol， 好多人咧都會有鼻嘅問題㗎，例如乜嘢花粉症、鼻敏感、鼻竇炎。OK， 咁樣咧，我哋咧就要用咩水去做呢個 nasal protocol 啊？11.5。OK， 但係11.5咧，我會highly recommend 你哋咧係加少少個海鹽，然後咧 shake 佢，就係咁樣咧，一支咁樣咧就係洗2個鼻孔。OK， 咁樣嚟講咧，你就係半支。如果到佢冇咩水嗰陣時咧，你就撳佢，咁佢呢個水咧就會自然出㗎啦。咁你喺呢度入咧，就會喺呢度出；呢度入咧就會喺呢度出。嗰個反應咧就係一陣你睇個短片啦。如果你唔用少少海鹽嘅話咧，你會覺得好赤痛，會有少少 painful。OK，I will highly recommend you besides using the 11.5 for the whole bottle for 2 holes. Okay, and then you add a little bit sea salt.
Sea salt.
So it will softener. It will not be so pain because the water is go through here to come out. Okay, so 所以人哋話齋鼻能通五官，you know 鼻能通五官就係咁噶，喺呢度咁樣去出嚟嘅。
Okay, let me highlight to you after I show you the video how I do it. Now the important thing if your nose have no itchiness inside, that means no infection. You can use 11.5 only, no problem, right? Okay, after you show you but listen to me. If you have problem inside here, very itchy, annoying, I think you have some bacteria inside there, annoying you. You use 2.5. You use 2.5 first, 1 bottle, one side, halfway, automatic, you come out the other side after you see, then you change to the other side, you come out the other side as well, right? Finish 1 bottle, the 2.5, remember 2.5 cannot put salt. Even you put salt also never mind, but the pain cannot go away. The pain means when you go swimming, suddenly you got like high pressure in your nose, very painful, right? But 2.5 make no difference. Put a lot of salt also cannot go away. It's pain, it's very dry, very high oxidized.
阿 John 講咧，如果你個鼻咧係有好嚴重嘅問題咧，你都可以用2.5嘅，但係問題2.5咧，你加海鹽都冇用，你加海鹽都會覺得好乸好赤痛。但係咧2.5咧可以幫你殺菌啦，kill germs，you know。但係平時嚟講，如果你唔係太嚴重咧，用我哋嘅9.5或者11.5就可以㗎啦。
Yeah, you know I treat We don't claim cure or for healing of anything. I consult your own doctor, okay? So that is a declaration. I have cancer patient, nose cancer patient, okay? Hardly can breathe properly and inflammation of the ear, the nose nasal area, right? For cancer, so I get them to do 2.5, and then after followed by 11.5, 1 day 2 times, sometimes 3 times. I can tell you, I got that testimony. I think all of you have read, right? From China. Recovered.
香港有中國有鼻癌嘅朋友咧，都係用2.5 follow by 11.5，一日做2次，咁佢個鼻癌咧就得到醫治啦。雖然我哋個水機，我哋從來都講我哋唔稱為呢個醫療機，我哋亦都冇 claim 咩嘢，但係我哋配合呢啲嘅醫療器材咧，就會增加幫我哋嘅還原水機增值啦。因為嗰個醫療牌係真嘅，但係問題唔係馬來西亞出俾你嘛，係日本出俾你，所以我哋喺呢一度咧個市場咧，盡量都唔講我哋係 medical grade，we can use
現在快進去，呼氣在口中，用口來呼氣 ，use your mouth to breathe, not the nose.
Use your mouth to breathe，用你口嚟唞氣，聽未
？1分鐘啫
，1分鐘一邊行到一半嗰陣時，up 到half，跟住 switch to the other side，
用口嚟呼氣 ，use your mouth to breathe, not the nose.
如果冇咩水冇 pressure 嗰陣時，你就撳佢。
Hey, my friend, listen. 13 protocol is very powerful. You must know how to use it as a selling point. I normally ask them, hey, when's the last time you service your nose? Do you ever service your nose? Taking gold, right? That's why you service your nose or blow your nose, right? But do you service the inside of your nose where they have bacteria? We are breathing every day with all the pollution. Do you think there's any fungus or bacteria go in or not?
Yeah.
Sure have, right? So you tell them our 11.5 protocol is anti-inflammation. Inflammation is a root cause to all type of disease in our body.
係啦，所以我哋成日問好多朋友就係有冇處理過你個鼻啊？佢哋就話有問題嗰陣時就係撩鼻咯，咁樣但係咧從來都冇好少人用呢一個方法去清理佢個鼻腔嘅問題啊，咁樣所以呢一個咧係好好嘅。
Yeah, it's good for people with asthma, sinus problem, sneezing problem, sensitive nose.
好似我仔啦嚇，加拿大翻嚟啦，香港咧就係早晨嗰剎那咧，佢10幾個乞嗤嘅，咁樣啦，我逼佢啦，沖涼房啊，叫佢每日沖涼之前你就喺嗰度做一次啦。佢做咗1個禮拜多啲啦，就已經冇乞嗤咗啦，即係冇咗呢個鼻敏感嘅問題。所以好多朋友咧，你跟住做咧，你個感覺啊，即係唔需要話我1年半左右至呢個感覺啊，3、2日你就體驗到㗎啦。
These are Terrence in KK, the son, about 5 years old, have problem sinus and problem with asthma, cannot breathe, blocked nose at night, very hard to sleep. So I just teach him how to use this protocol. Is from my church, Terrence son, right?
你睇細路仔都可以做㗎啊
！Amazing, right？
完全都係康復咗嗰個產咧。嗱，好似啲 BB 啊。啲 BB 啊，如果傷風感冒嗰陣時，佢好多痰㗎。所以點解咧？所以點解咧？佢出到個痰啊，或者佢反轉嚟噴嗰陣時會猝死咧。咁啊，如果你有得用下，你睇下，用嗰11.5同佢噴一噴啊，佢嗰啲痰啊出咗嚟啊，第二日咧就冇大事啦。你睇下佢嗰啲痰啊，你睇下全部都係。深綠色嘅第一日，第二日咧就已經係冇大事啦。所以咧又吸啊，佢哋又暢順啦，咁樣變咗就唔會扭計咯。你睇呢個 BB 幾得意，係泰國。所有 BB 啊，佢 get flu 嗰陣時好容易啊，佢又伏住瞓嗰陣時會啃死嘅喎。所以嗱，你睇下啦。
You see the inflammation, you see the mucus, very effective. I tell you, my friend. Wow, powerful, right? All right. Okay. Now the most exciting one, next one. This is exciting one. Wow, I like this. This one is amazing. Beauty water 啊。呢
個咧，不論你男女啊嚇，你用我哋嘅 Beauty Water 啦嚇，去莎莎或者咩嘢嗰啲啊，買呢一啲啊，浸落去我哋嘅 Beauty Water 嗰度，你去嚟敷面。整個晚上你唔使除，亦都唔使過水，咁佢會保濕你個面啦，同埋咧你嗰啲毛孔啦會縮細啦，同埋咧如果你用11.5咧，仲有漂白嘅功用嘅喎，所以好多新娘咧，之前成1-2個禮拜咧，每一晚啊都用11.5。
I do 2.5 bleaching. It make your face very fair. So what I do, I put it in here. I soak with 11.5. You don't know 11.5. See, I put 11.5 here. 11.5. I put it in here, right? I soak it, right? But normally what I do before I put 11.5 I put 2.5 first. 我放2.5 2.5 to kill the bacteria from the mask. They have bacteria you cannot see, Put the 2.5, soak it first for about 1 minute, and then after that soak it to 11.5. Then later on wet put on your face when you sleep and let it dry by itself. Then you can anti-inflammation.
我哋阿 John 哥哥咧係一個絕對謹慎嘅人嚟㗎，所有買翻嚟嗰啲嘢咧，其實咧都縮 with 即係浸過2.5嗰個 Q 晒啲 jam 先。然後將佢再放落去11.5，然後愛嚟敷面。如果你慢慢咁做嘅話咧，你個面會漂白，會白淨。如果你縮 Beauty Water 嘅話咧，你浸 Beauty Water 嘅話，你個面會保濕，冇咁多乾嘅皺紋。Your wrinkle is gone, because it's moisturize your skin by using Beauty Water. Okay?
Very effective. My sister, the face very dark, now become very fair. She love it. She do it every night.
唔需要用咁多嘅化妝品啊 ，bleaching 啊，
因為抗發炎anti-inflammation right？
你試過就知㗎啦。
How about this? This is powerful.
頭皮 啊！呢啲亦都係好 common disease 啊，好多男女咧都會有呢個問題啊，或者咧你哋用嘅 shampoo 啊，過量嘅香精油，都會導致頭皮嘅問題㗎。咁如果你頭皮有問題，用咩水啊？其實咧你可以用2.5先噴一噴佢先，然後咧再用11.5，或者嗰個禮拜直情都唔好用洗頭水。你用11.5嚟洗頭，因為你記唔記得我哋嘅11.5啊係 soapy 嘅，滑捋捋嘅係咪？佢係可以 stand for shampoo 嘅喎。11.5 can stand for shampoo. You remove the chemical, the shampoo. You use 11.5. It is a treatment for your hair. Okay, but if you have a lot of dandruff, you use 2.5 to spray first.
No, hang on. What I do, I test it myself. She did not test it, so she cannot talk about this. I got this dandruff. She always complain, oh, yeah, I got white flake coming out, right? You know what I do? I put in a bowl. My mate take away the bowl. One bowl, 2.5. Give me an empty glass. With one big bowl of 2.5, and then I take an empty glass. 掉個水俾個 empty glass 我做 action empty glass. So what I do, I take a big bowl of 2.5, right? So I put my head over there. I just pour water continuously, pouring onto the hair continuously for 2 minutes. You know why? It's proven 2.5 kill bacteria, antifungus, whatever it is, in 1 minute, 40 seconds to 1 minute. Therefore, you have to continue pouring, so the 2.5 is soaking into the scalp and kill all the fungus and bacteria. So they die. I can tell you next day, and then after that, finish. Okay, what you do? You don't use shampoo. Don't use shampoo have chemical, Then you use another big bowl, same thing, 11.5. Use it, keep pouring it, rubbing it, pouring it, like shampoo. Then you shampoo your whole.
即係阿 John 話用2.5先嚟係咁淋個頭 ，continue 一路繼續淋個頭2分鐘，然後就唔好用洗頭水，用11.5咧，再繼續淋2分鐘。咁咧你嗰個就會你個頭皮頭髮敏感嗰啲問題咧就會消失㗎啦。
And then last, you can also use beauty water to rinse it. That's all. Beauty water rinse for 1 minute. That's it.
或者你就可以繼續咧用 beauty water 咧去洗1分鐘。或者如果朋友們係我哋 Kangen water 嘅 supporter 啦，其實 Any Spa is the best equipment for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Any Spa 都幫到你啊。
Any Spa 幫到係啱。Okay，好啦。Now let's cover about how to treat your skin, like your foot, like injury, like gout. Okay. Like gout, all this thing, right? Now you talk about this Hong Kong.
而家我哋講香港腳嘅問題啦，好多人都會有香港腳尿酸腫或者有嗰個 fungus 呢個叫做
香港腳臭
fungus
leg。Okay. Yeah, fungus leg. Then you use 2.5 to soak.
灰甲，我想講灰甲
fungus nail 啦。
咁係點樣醫治咧？
聽我講嘢。Some more. Together is the same thing. This is a full gap. 2.5, 11.5. I show you how to do it. And also gout, same thing. Using 2.5, 11.5 gout. Okay, same thing is it. Before and after, right? You can very powerful. Only 2 days only, right? And also spot injury, the same thing. Like spot injury, you do the same thing. What I do? You know how I do it? What?
打球受傷咗。OK， 就係咁樣啦。睇唔睇到個盤啊？John Lim 就係用個盤去浸腳啦。OK， 先用2.5咧。如果你用2.5嚟浸腳咧，唔好超過3分鐘，唔好超過3分鐘。If you use 2.5, you don't soak more than 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes will be enough.
Yeah.
2-3
Like today, I play tennis. I injured here， 痛啊！今日打 tennis 好痛啊！痛到我呢次咪喐到都痛啦，係咪？之後傷咗啦 ，injury 啦injury like that one my hand then you soak it in
Due to heavy exercise, sometimes under the hot weather, your foot also swollen 腫咗或者發炎咧 ，you soak with the 2.5, for 3 minutes, followed by 11.5， 再用11.5去浸佢。11.5你可以浸耐啲喎。11.5你浸20分鐘、30分鐘都冇問題喎。11.5 you can soak 20 minutes to 30 minutes is not an issue.
Yeah.
But 2.5 don't soak it more than 3 minutes. Don't soak it more than 3 minutes.
Very oxidized. It kill the bacteria very fast and then wipe it off. And then remember when you walk shopping, very tired, your ankle very tired, In read American Anti-Cancer Chapter 6, it's talking about injury of your ankle, whatever it is, soak for 20 to 30 minutes. The smallest of the water antioxidant go into your joint, anti-inflammation.
記住，我哋個水咧係4至6個水係好細小嘅，人咧係無孔不入㗎，所以如果你浸腳咧，嗰個抗氧化亦都可以從你嘅皮膚進入你個身體，所以你會吸收到㗎。咁唔好話一定係你嘅腳受到傷害啊，或者紅腫啊，甚至乎女士們啊，每日着 high heel 翻工啊，着高踭鞋啊，你都應該翻屋企嘆下嗰陣時咧，睇住個電視機你就去浸腳。用2.5，如果你係冇 fungus 冇灰甲或者香港腳嘅情形咧，你淨係浸呢個11.5半個鐘頭咧，就等於你腳底按摩 foot massage，you know，it's same thing，you know，very enjoyable。我喺泰國銷售一啲按摩院就係叫佢哋用2.5同11.5去 service 個客人，嗰啲灰甲就唔會傳染。同埋呢個係 Go for Green 係一個環保，同埋嚟講係一個健康嘅水。咁你由嗰度開始介紹俾啲客人。
Yeah, you know this is my hand, squash injury. I crushed my hand against the wall. You see all the. This is before that I was blue black. The other side, underneath my palm blue black, right? After I soak this 2.5 about 2 times in the same day, right? 3 times altogether, 30 minutes per time, right? Guess what? The blood, the black blues here is injured is here, not this side, and then the blues push out here. It become all the drawing out all the inflammation, become red. You see the next day. Okay.
阿莊打壁球撞牆係淤黑嘅，即係只係療可以浸2、3次啫。佢嗰啲淤血咧好快散，OK， 同埋咧個紅腫咧已經冇晒，所以係好送出係 speedy recovery。
Very powerful, I tell you this one. Okay, now let's go for the colon irrigation. Colon irrigation 係咩咧？係洗腸洗你個腸點解？
有冇朋友有咁嘅習慣去洗腸㗎
？OK。
其實我哋個水9.5同11.5咧係可以洗腸㗎，甚至乎咧，
嗰個係拎出嚟，唔使佢拎出嚟，拎成個袋拎出嚟，我喺度睇。使唔使先吊上去？see you using this colon bag. Colon bag, see？
咁樣咧就係呢個 colon bag 咧，你咧用嗰陣時咧，我就掛到高5尺高，然後通常咧我哋咧就會用個 yoga mat 喺個地下嗰度，咁你就瞓低，可以用水嚟洗腸。如果你用我哋嘅 Kangen water 9.5或者11.5咧，佢係洗你嘅大細腸。OK， 因為咧好多朋友都會有啲便秘嘅問題㗎 constipation， 所以你用水嚟洗腸咧，佢又可以幫你減肥喎。咁樣咧，我哋咧記住呢個腸呢個 colon bag 咧，你唔好用呢個黑 plastic 入去你個 anus 嗰度係用呢個 soft plastic， 甚至乎咧呢一個係接落去咧係入1寸咁上下嘅啫。哇，甚至乎咧仲有更幼嘅就係呢一條長啲嘅。就你係用呢個黑 plastic connect 就咧用呢一個入去咧，只係1寸就夠啦。因為呢度咧係有窿窿嘅 ，OK， 放啲油，放啲 olive oil 或者 Vaseline 就可以噶啦，係一啲都唔會傷害你個身體嘅，同埋俾你一個好暢順嘅感覺，你又可以減肥嘅感覺，又幫你咧 detox。所以係非常之好用嘅。
嗱，you see for according to Harimi Shenya or Dr. Becky, this 13 protocol are using 9.5. 9.5 is for people who have no constipation, normal cleansing. If you don't pass motion every day, that means you have a problem. Then the motion, the stool inside the bowel, you trying to detox, you go back to your liver. Your liver try to detox. You cannot detox, then the toxin push it to your tissue. That's how you got pinggang sakit back pain very tight outcome like this toxin from the bowel, So that's how you need to get it out with 9.5. Okay.
For us 我哋咧係幫助到好多癌症病人咧，就係用 coffee enema 有冇聽過咖啡灌腸我哋唔係用呢個普通咖啡喎，我哋係用 organic coffee。我講多一個。OK。organic coffee 一陣先講呢個，第一咧 the next one 嗰個 bag instead of instead of putting 9.5 11.5 for normal cleansing, but you can detox your liver using coffee enema. So what I do?
we use this one, organic wild coffee. Organic must be organic, you know. Don't use normal coffee 啊。
你唔好用 Starbucks coffee 或者 Elite coffee 啊。你攞雖然係靚咖啡，但係唔係愛嚟洗腸㗎。用有機咖啡係用呢個3斤 ，OK，3斤。佢煲用1.3 litre 嘅水，慢火熬佢15分鐘，然後攤到佢就好似 tea 大粒咁樣咧，隔渣啊，用呢個咖啡袋去隔渣，然後咧就喺倒落個 plastic 嗰度，你就再可以倒落個袋嗰度啦。
I boil one time 1 liter per time, so I boil 3 liter. So 3 liter I put how many? 9 spoon. 1 liter 3 spoon. 3 spoon only, right? So I 3 liter 9 spoon, no? So I boil the whole 9 spoon of coffee. I can boil half also. Okay, after boil finish, then I strain it. Then after strain, I add clean water all the way to the top. Clean water top, so semi-concentrated coffee add on top after finish. You boil only for about 20 minutes.
記得如果你用咖啡灌腸係用咩水啊？用淨水。clean water， 因為唔係用 alkaline water 去煲咖啡嘅，因為佢我哋正咧要呢個 caffeine 嘅酸性嘅。OK， 我哋唔用鹼性嘅水去煲啊。咁如果你要煲3 litre， 我哋可以做3次咧，你就用9個匙羹。
你講嗰個
9個匙羹啊。
OK，
咁啊煲完之後咧，攤凍佢之後咧，你就點樣咧？就可以倒落呢個袋啦。啊，啱啱好咧，呢一度咧係1公升。咁樣咧，我同阿 John 咧每日都做㗎，佢係可以幫你排毒啦，面色靚啦。如果你啲朋友咧，你睇到佢啊眼黑白唔分明啊，面色黃啊灰啊嗰啲人咧，唔該你叫佢同你做呢個 coffee 你嘛 very good 排毒，同埋咧 for cancer patient 啊 is very good。
嗱，你吊啊6尺咁高，吊一吊啊，吊6尺咁高，跟住 ，OK， 意思啊？ Watch， 吊6尺咁高啊！嗱 ，now what you do？ You hang it，hang， you hang here，hang 度，呢度得啦，呢度靚啲人睇到嘛張啊 ，hang 度啊 ，OK，you hang it there, right? So what do you do? You always lie to the right 啊 ，lie in the toilet 啊 ，in the toilet near toilet to your right, because your bowel go big on the right, then you go down, right?
真人 show。Okay.
Live show, right? And then you put some olive oil, coconut oil here, so it's not dry. Because when your anus side is dry, really hard to go in, right? You put some olive oil, coconut oil here, right? Then turn it off here, and then you just go here, move on. Then you just lie down here like this, right? Use a pillow, enjoy reading your iPad or whatever your outside, right? And then stick it in. After sticking in, right? Then you turn it on, when you turn it on, then the coffee will slowly go in. It takes about 5 minutes. Okay? So after 5 minutes, all done. Right? Then you hold it for at least 15 minutes.
阿 John 啊 ，go for extra mile 啊，即係好感恩啊！你哋要佢差唔多要真係做埋俾你睇㗎啦。OK， 佢係一個好 serious 嘅人嚟㗎。OK，
剝埋褲
齋講唔得啊，佢就嚟想剝埋褲俾你睇啊。OK，next。
Okay, all right. Enjoy, right?
Next.
Okay, right. Now,睇下 next Oh, what is next? Let's see. Share the screen again. I share the screen again. Right.
好啦，講完 colon 又講咩咧？
講咗呢個啦，係咪 ？OK so now this is a coffee enema certified You don't have to worry. You see？
嗱，做得我哋還原水呢行咧，都識得Dr. Hiromi 㗎啦佢係長內鏡嘅發明家佢同佢講70歲幾歲一粒麥屎都冇㗎，就係因為佢每日做 coffee 點
Every day
幾十年
Me and June have been doing every day until now 8 years non-stop. You see our skin very nice, right? Okay, so every day.
once a day 係冇搽胭脂㗎係白裏透紅所以我話俾你聽 coffee 點對皮膚科係 very good。如果你有asthma 或者呢個咩唔係 sorry 牛皮癬psoriasis case 一定要做 coffee enema cancer patient 一定要做 coffee enema 佢有止痛嘅功效添。Okay.
So this is very powerful. You find out more about coffee enema. It can detox your liver, detox your whole blood, remove all the free radical and oxidation from your blood, entire blood. In that 15 minutes when you lie down there for the coffee to take effect in your liver. Why? Okay, so this is the way to boil it. Already talked about it. The way to prepare them, right? To boil it. You can also put 1 tablespoon. 1 liter, put 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider. Why? It boosts up the potency.
我哋提議話咧，你煲完之後咧 ，before 你擺落去 bag 嗰度咧，加多1匙羹嘅蘋果酸 ，organic 嘅蘋果酸，就等於我哋11.5啊，你加多1匙羹咧，佢會 boost up 嗰個coffee 更加積極，你個肝，咁樣去刺激你個肝酵素咧，嚟出一個功能咧去抗癌。OK。
Very powerful, very powerful this one. So that's the one you have seen already. You seen live, That's me just now like this, right? Right. OK，
呢一個啦，到vagina嘅問題啦。好重要呢個。我想 share 咧，我自己個女親身嘅咩住喺香港，你知道啦，香港嘅廚房咧就係好細小嘅，一個3角形嘅啫。咁樣咧，我叫佢爹哋媽咪做還原水咁成功，你都唔幫我買個還原水機。佢話錢唔係一個問題，但係你個還原水機咧好牙定喎。You know, very occupy my space 喎 ，my kitchen very small. You know， 咁佢就唔肯買。但係直至到咧，我咧發現咧，佢老公原來有香港腳咧，嗰陣時咧咁樣咧，而我逼佢用咧，就醫好咗佢個老公個香港腳咧1個禮拜啫喎，咁啊佢就肯買啦。而我女咧之後咧先同我講一個問題，佢 vagina 嘅問題。每一次去 after mens 咧，呢個月經嚟咗之後咧，一定會有啲痕癢white discharge 諸如此類。咁正正咧，我哋個水機出一種水係 pH 4.5。上邊嗰條。So check pH 4.5 how to get the pH 4.5？When you on the 9.5你飲9.5嘅時候，下喉出嘅就係4.5啦。所以你攞4.5咧嚟洗呢個子宮。You know， 一日你洗2次，你2-3日你嗰啲 ladies 嘅問題已經係冇問題㗎啦。譬如呢個 white 白帶痕癢或者有呢個子宮嘅問題。
Do you know this? You go to the pharmacies, you can buy this. They have a chemical generated, make 4.5 in the bottle, and they also 4.5 acidic water, and also already ready make. And then you also buy the bottle. It costs you 50 ringgit.
Yeah. 你喺藥房如果買話洗子宮嘅嘢咧，佢已經做定俾你咧，都係 highlight 係 pH 4.5㗎。但係咧，你知做定嘅嘢啦，真係唔好㗎啦，有 chemical 嘅 generate。我哋咧就係直接新鮮 fresh， 從我哋飲水嘅9.5下喉嗰度攞4.5，就直接愛嚟洗你個子宮啦。你所有嗰啲問題痕癢乾燥白帶全部都可以消除。所以係非常之好用嘅，就唔需要去買嗰啲 chemical generator。No need to。仲要係50蚊一支添，藥房有得賣。知點拉出嚟要？知㗎啦。知道 ，OK， 你知道啦。Another thing I want to say， 慳翻你睇婦科啲錢要 save the money。Yeah, I share with you. I somebody refer me to a clinic in Malaysia, and then I went to present it to the doctor. And I told them I presented about 13 protocol. I emphasized on this protocol on vagina infection and dryness, right? Then the doctor said, I got 2 ladies here, my staff nurse in the reception. They have problem with this one. Can you teach them how to use? Then I said, okay, I teach them how to use. You buy the machine. I guarantee their problem will be solved. I use medicine, I cannot solve the problem, you know. If you can solve, I buy the machine. Okay. 唔係 cannot solve， 係 every month repeat 嘅 problem every month 佢都要食藥或者係用一啲啲咁嘅藥劑。所以如果你有呢個還原水咧，就係1了百了，你每一次有些少嘅問題或者感應唔好，你用佢嚟洗就已經搞掂。And then what I did, I bring this 4.5 water to them, and then I supplied 2 bottles of this to that 2 lady. After she used it for about 3 days, and then the doctor said, please install the machine in my clinic in KK, you know. Amazing, right? 所以我哋還原水係多功能水，喺呢一度我哋 highlight 係多功能水。雖然我哋唔可以，雖然係醫療牌照我哋唔可以講，但係問題我哋可以 attach with all the medical tools 嗰啲嘅醫療嘅器材，咁樣直接咧係將我哋嘅還原水咧升值，同埋咧係嗰啲用家咧覺得係非常之值得去買。Okay, right. This is very, very important. This one, I tested myself. Very powerful. You can find all this in the Dr. Pecky 13 treatment protocol. Read it up.
the document just now. It's actually in the document in Chinese and English, right? So you can see that piece of document very important, and you can learn about the treatment on this. The first one you see
呢度咧，我睇好多 leader 咧都會有噶啦，呢個英文同中文都有 soft copy 可以傳遞俾你哋噶。咁啊，而家 Dr. Peggy 咧就係呢啲咁嘅症狀咧，特別我想喺呢度咧介紹俾朋友睇下，就係嗰11.5啊。如果好多年輕人啊都會係，雖然而家冇 cupping 啦。但係你哋去夜晚啊消閒嗰陣時啊飲酒啊嚇，如果飲過量嘅話咧，咁啱啊撞到個 tap 你咧，你啊唔該你飲一支400至500 ml 嘅11.5啊，即刻啊可以減低你嘅 alcohol level 啊，你啊吹波仔都 detect 唔到啊！呢一個啊正啊，我話俾你聽，有一次咧，我 sell 我香港嘅女朋友啊 multi-billionaire。You know， 你同佢講個3萬幾蚊個水機啊，佢會覺得哇你想斬我，但係我俾佢啊，我唔咩嘢水都唔俾佢，我就俾佢11.5，因為佢每一晚都有應酬。咁啱咧 ，You know 佢就 check，You know 扣晒分就差唔多，佢就係飲一個11.5啊450 ml 啫，飲完之後吹波仔都過關俾佢過，冇抄佢牌。之後啊，佢喺個 group 度講，哇呢個11.5真係可以 ，You know 消酒氣啊，諸如此類啊。即刻嗰個禮拜啊，5台 KX 啊，我話俾你聽係真係好 effective。同埋你飲醉酒嘅人咧，只要你肯飲呢個少少呢個11.5瞓覺，你第日啊幾差嘅酒啊，你都唔會有 hangover。You don't have a hangover feeling if you know how to drink 11.5 before bed. Little bit 啦，200 ml something like that, so it can stop your hangover.
Now, okay, now you can see I combine this one the first one indigestion, and the second one acid reflux, right? I see the acid reflux. Most of the people have this problem, right? Acid reflux. Acid reflux and indigestion is tied up together actually. Why you have indigestion problem and acid reflux? Because when you eat something, any hard food with protein, you go into your stomach will alert the pancreas will release digestive enzyme, which is called hypochlorous acid. And the hypochlorous acid will supposed to help you to protect you, kill all the germs and bacteria, and help you to digest the food, right? But the problem you have this acid reflux and indigestion because your stomach is not producing enough of acid. I can say hypochlorous acid or digestive enzyme. Not enough. So what you do? Peggy protocol inside the book say, before you take first bite of food, before you put one bite of food in your mouth, you treat about half a cup to 1 cup of 2.5, drink it in. So your pancreas will not produce enough, so the 2.5 is ready for your food. When your food go in, the 2.5 you kill, digest.
OK， 總括嚟講，如果你有胃病嘅朋友咧，都係因為你胃酸出得唔夠，所以咧分化唔到嘅食物或者發炎嘅狀況。咁樣其實我哋嘅2.5都可以飲用㗎。如果你飲得啱嘅話咧，佢會俾你一個好好嘅效果，就係你咧冇胃酸倒流啊，冇胃病，就係因為咧佢會幫你喺你食飯之前每一口飯，你飲少少嘅2.5咧，佢即刻幫你增長嗰個胃液啊，就幫你消化嗰啲個食物同埋咧去。分化嗰啲細菌。
Okay, when you have a stomach ache or maybe headache because of inflammation in your blood, so you same thing, you drink 2.5, kill the germs first in your stomach, then you drink the 11.5 inside 3 times every 50 minutes, you see miracle.
一樣啦，如果我哋肚屙諸如此類咧，永遠都係咧2.5行先，然後咧11.5你嗰個功效你就即刻會好顯著噶啦。
And also for diarrhea, when the diarrhea means you eat food poisoning, every 2 minutes you got watery stool coming out, right?
你屙啡啡嘅時候更加要飲我哋嘅2.5
Why you have diarrhea like this? Because your stomach full of bacteria that your body immunity cannot kill. That's how you keep breaking it and then passing as motion. Then you drink 2.5.
因為你正你屙啡啡嘅時候，就係因為你出得唔夠去殺佢嗰啲細菌，所以咧你用2.5落去即刻幫你
every 15 minutes
殺死佢。